from Avalon's elf light where sun did rise, a solemn vow beneath the morning skies, to be us as a baths our homeward path we seek, through shadows deep where ancient spirits speak. Run, run, my steed, through forests grim and vast, from hallowed grove where mystic moments passed, from sombre woods to deserts burning gleam, a fleeting arrow's flight, a fading dream, like arrow loosed from bowstring swift and keen, from murky dark to night's obsidian shield. Haste, haste, a portal wide begins to close, as morning's light makes fleeting dreams repose. A mystic chant, my guiding fiery grace, with magic's flame illuminating space. The desert whim, the arrow's whispered flight, the earth a dwarf, stout strength in fading light, and waters flow within my blade. It sleeps as onward bound my weary spirit leaps, to be us as comfort 'neath the shadow